How to fix Windows 11 black screen after login. To fix the Windows 11 black screen after logging into your PC, you simply have to restart the Windows Explorer. So press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is opened, all you have to do is, if you only see a simple window, click the More Details at the bottom, and this full list panel will be opened. Now you simply have to locate the Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Once you find the Windows Explorer, all you have to do is right-click and then select the Restart option, which should be available to you over here. Now, once you tap on it, all you have to do is proceed to restart your PC all over again by tapping on the Start button at the top, at the bottom from the taskbar, then tapping on the Power button and restart your PC, which should fix your problem. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.